Zanu PF is announced that it will hold elections in 2027 for a candidate who would be a successor to President Emerson Mnangagwa. Zvadhagwa sana pina mashoko amudanyirwa panapa ndobva subscribe oleka utonda peleka kuti muna mzimu aimzora nhasi mudanyirwa achiti sources within the party confirm that Mnangagwa concluded his leadership in 2028 as Chwenga allies successfully blocked the ED 2030 slogan that symbolized support for an extended Mnangagwa rule. The move to squash the ED 2030 slogan unfolded during a heated Ataya Provincial Committee meeting last Sunday, where Chwenga's allies aggressively challenged the party's stance on Mnangagwa's long-term vision. Chwenga supporters questioned Harare's Zanu chairperson Goodwill Masimurengwa and the party national Kumizam Nyarat Machacha on why the slogan was still in circulation despite Mnangagwa's October statement that he would not seek re-election. Chwenga's recent victory reflects his growing dominance and sets the stage for a leadership transition under the influence. As the dust settles on this latest showdown, ZANU-PF is poised to redefine its leadership structure, with Chwenga now standing as the clear front-runner to take the party's reins. Farai Marapira, the ZANU-PF spokesperson, declined to comment on these developments from China, as the implications of Chwenga's ascendance continue to ripple through the party. The ruling party will run kuti aiwa 2027 pachaitwa maelections vachiona kuti ndiani achaendera mberi nenyika apo mutungamiri wenyika yezimbabwe vaiti Mnangagwa step down. Tiona machonga loyalist vachiuya vachikona vachiisa pakona vakomana vari loyal nemutungamiri wenyika. Tidze mafundo emu tikule pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Ndira comment section medu, subscribe, like, chinotonda bell icon.